And this is Francine. She says, why don't you get on your lap, Nana? She says, I'm hungry, Nana. And that's Bella. Hi, Bella, Bella. And the little Nacho man, he's very vocal. Hi, Nacho. I know you're hungry. We're going to get you that in a minute. I know. Look at your little tail. There's little chickadee. Hi, little chickadee. Hi, little chickadee. There she is. There she is. What are you doing, you pretty girl? You're a pretty girl. This is Butchie. Butchie, Butchie. Come here, Butchie. Here's a Butchie, Butchie. Here's a good boy. Who's the good boy? This is Chandler. Chandler. Chandler, let me see your face. He says, no, there's got to be sippies in there. What are they doing, Rumor? She says, I just want to play with the babies. What are they doing to you, Rumor? Good girl. She's like, I'd rather you not try to get sippies, but I'm not mad. Good girl, Rumor. Oh, she says, I'd rather run around with them. Aw. It's Bella, very insistent. She wants to. It's okay, Rumor. Rumor, good girl. She's like, I want you to play. Here's my Niala. I'm glad Niala's not insistent, because they're gonna. Aw, she says, I want to play with you. Because they're gonna be best buds. Good girl, look at the little tail. Good girl, Rumor. Good girl, Rumor. Look at the tail. Good girl, Niala. Aw, you giving her kisses? Aw, what a good girl. Good girl, Rumor. Now you know what it's like when somebody kisses you, huh? Instead of you kissing Elsa all the time. Good girl. Oh, and here comes Bella in search of sippies. And then it goes, Chickadee. Chickadee, what are you doing? Here you are. You trying out your running legs? Aw, you were so sweet. You're trying to make friends. You trying to make friends. Because you know you're going to stay here. Nacho. What are you doing, Nacho, man? Nacho, Nacho. What? That's Chandler having a blast over there. Aw, Niala likes her. What are they doing, Rumor? Here's Chandler. Niala's on her back. Oh, good girl, Rumor. Rumor's like, what are they doing? I've never had a dog do this to me before. Good girl, Rumor. Look at her face. She's like, I don't know what they're doing. Just think of it as belly rubs. Aw, Nacho's making friends. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good girl, Rumor. Oh, Nacho. He's a good boy. Yeah, I think that's Bella, because she's very persistent. Is that Bella? There it is. No, it's not. That's Chickadee. Chickadee! Chickadee was trying for sippies. Chickadee, what are you doing? You and the cutie pooties. That's Bella right there. There's the babies. Hi, Chickadee. Hi, baby. Oh, no, don't bite her face. She's trying to take a seat. Happy. You see, Seepy? It's a lot of commotion meeting a new baby doggy. Well, once one starts barking, they all start barking. It's okay. It's okay. Don't listen to them. Good boy, Butchie. Good boy, Butchie. Good boy. Good boy. He's a good boy. Hi, Chandler. Hi, Chandler. know. It's so exciting. Yes. Dalia. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You tired? I'm gonna get you nummy nums. I'm gonna get you nummy nums, okay, Bella, Bella? I know Bella's hungry. Bella's always hungry. Bella, Bella. It's Bella, Bella. Oh, what a good girl you are, Rumor. She hasn't growled. She hasn't snarled. She's very submissive. She doesn't know what they're doing. She doesn't necessarily like it because it's just different. But look at a big girl. You're being such a big girl. Look at your face. Oh, you're such a big girl. And look at these persistent babies down there. Huh, you're a good girl, Rumor. Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. She's like, what are you doing down there? They're like, how come there was no sippies in there? How come there was no sippies in there, Nacho? How's your face, silly? You're silly. You're a silly boy. You're a silly boy. Butchie says this is Francine. Francine, I can't tell unless I see their face. Butch has more black.